Hi friends, welcome back. If you are overwhelmed with the whole idea of meal prepping process, then here are 6 simple steps to break it down and still get all the benefits of it for the busy week ahead. So let's get started. And if you enjoy watching videos like these, give this video a thumbs up, and there is a whole playlist of meal prepping and meal planning that you can see in the description box below, and keep watching. So, first of all, for me, having frozen cooked millet on hand is incredibly helpful for a busy week due to its convenience and it being versatile. You can add it to a variety of dishes, but since it takes some time to cook, having it cooked during this weekend helps immensely. So, instead of cooking millet from scratch, you can always simply thaw it and then reheat the frozen portion, saving you valuable time during busy meal times. These are the freezer friendly pouches that I use, very helpful for meal planning. So I also like to freeze in portions so that it is easy while thawing. Now when it comes to vegetable proteins like dals or pulses, I'm taking tur dal here. After cooking it under pressure, I always store it for the week when I want to make curries like dal fry or spinach dal curry, etc. But also the options are endless if we freeze them. While cooking it, I always add turmeric and pepper. Pepper increases the bioavailability of curcumin in turmeric. So, always remember to add them together. Then, having these semi cup holders, very helpful. You can pop it in the freezer and very easy to remove as well. And then sneak it into multiple dishes to improve the nutrient density of endless number of dishes. So, something that is definitely a must try. Many of us prepare idli and dosa batter each week. I really like adding grains like teff to make this common meal extremely healthy. I have a free ebook that talks about similar tips that you might enjoy. If this is something that interests you and have not seen it yet, then I highly encourage you to check it out. We know that pureeing the leafy green vegetables like spinach is a great option for your quick gravies like palak paneer, etc. But also try adding sunflower seeds and amla powder along with ginger, garlic, and green chili, because this will give a great taste as well as it's very healthy. Also, make sure to blanch your spinach just for 2 minutes and then transfer them to the ice bath before pureeing it in your mixer. And this will preserve the amazing green color of your spinach. Next comes dense plant proteins like tofu. We need to utilize this in a way that the whole family loves, and the best option I have found so far is to make patties like these. So, you just need to steam your veggies like potato, carrots, and beans and grind it along with tofu crumbles and any masala powders and salt, of course. And then mix your breadcrumbs and scoop them. I like to use my ice cream scoop for making this a non messy process, and then spray some oil and bake this at 375-degree Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Just keep an eye on the browning and turn sides when applicable. Then comes freezer friendly veggies. So, when we purchase veggies in bulk, like carrots for example from Costco, it is well worth it if you freeze it. Veggies like carrots and bell peppers are extremely freezer friendly. With carrots, it's better to freeze them after blanching, but with bell pepper, that isn't the case. This process comparatively takes way less time, but makes cooking on busy weekdays very simple, ensuring enough vegetable intake throughout the week. Okay, some example of how the week has gone so far. This is the millet breakfast bowl that I'm making here. So the millets, thaw it and then use it along with some plant-based milk. And here is the blue spirulina powder that I have been enjoying lately. Extremely healthy. Just look into it. And then here I got these frozen raspberries. These are very low calorie, but just gives the nice chocolate flavor if you are craving it. And here I'm making some spinach dal curry with some cherry tomatoes, onions, and some green jalapeno peppers. So having dal and spinach cooked in these containers were very helpful. And I'm having this for lunch along with some tomatoes and a piece of omelette. And here comes the yummy tofu that is a must try. Can you tell that again once more for the camera?
Normally I don't like tofu, but this is really good.
Okay, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed these tips and will try this out. I'll see you all later. Bye bye.